Hello! So, this is for Neon Tarot, 78 cards and guidebook. Kakarating din lang niya from US. So, ito yung gilid niya. Next, yan yung gilid. Ganyan siya. So, yung price nito is $24.90. So, yun yung price niya. Convert na lang into peso. Buksan na natin. Ayan siya. So, ito yung kanyang guidebook. Black. Yung nasa loob. Alright, wala siyang picture, pero ang kagandahan is meron siyang upright and reverse meaning. Ayan. Simple lang. Then, pwede ka mag-add ng notes sa likod. So, this is ilang page? 91 pages plus pwede ka mag-notes ng sa likod. Intuitive Tarot. Let's see, naka-sealed pa siya. Bagong-bago. Loob is plain. Alright, naka-sealed pa siya. Bubuksan ko lang. Gilded siya ng pagka-fuchsia pink. Honestly, hindi ako fan ng may mga gilded eh. Kasi, pag gamit na gamit mo na siya, nagfe-fade yan. So, ayun. Hindi ako fan ng gilded. Pero, ang ganda lang niya tingnan. Ang lakas may parang pa-hologram pa siya, oh. Ayun. So, sa back, ito siya sa back. No? So, kapag reverse, mahalata mo kasi nandun yung bilog. Tapos, nandito yung parang flowers. Nakaganyan siya. So, if you're not reading naman na reverse, okay lang. Hindi siya issue. Pero sa mga nagbabasa ng reverse, halata siya pag nakaganyan siya. Tapos, yung iba naka-reverse. Ayun. So, tingnan na natin. Sa Ace of Wands siya nag-start. Umpisahan natin sa wait. Gusto ko kasi nag-uumpisa sa the Fool. Alright. Umpisahan natin sa the Fool. Ayan yung itsura niya. Neon na neon talaga siya. May number siya sa taas. Magician. The Empress. Medyo nakadikit pa siya ng kaunti. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. Medyo nakadikit pa. The Strength. I love the Strength. Ang fierce talaga ng face niya. The Hermit. Wait lang ha. Kasi pa siya eh. Dikit-dikit pa talaga siya. Okay, let's see. The Hermit. Ayan, nakadikit pa talaga. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Ano pa siya. Ayan o. Bago pa. The Hangman. I love the Hangman. Ganda. Death. Temperance. Devil. Yung devil niya, devil lang talaga, no? The Tower. One moment. Yun lang. Masyado pa siyang naka-ano. Ayan, The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Pero kahit naman ano, dikit-dikit pa siya. Pag inano mo naman, wala naman siyang damage. Judgment. The World. So nice. Ace of Wands. Sorry kung tinatanggal ko sa hamha kasi kailangan kong tanggalin sa pagkaka dikit-dikit pa siya. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Tulad nito, nakakapa akong medyo makapal pa. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Ang ganda rin ng illustration niya. Neon na neon talaga. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Ten of Cups. Page. Knight of Cups. Queen. King. May nakadikit pa isa. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Naging Star Wars yung itsura. Eight of Swords. Ten of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Sa mga lalaking nagtataro reading, bagay to. Seven of Pentacles. 8. Nine. 10. Page. Knight. Queen. King. So, let's see. Pag shuffle, anong pakiramdam? Okay lang din. Nahirapan pa ako i-shuffle siya kasi bago pa. Okay. Hindi pa siya ganong nasunod. Huwag na lang siguro natin siya i-shuffle this way kasi alam naman, magbe-bend siya. May tendency mag-bend siya, pero okay siya. No? Tingnan mo, nag-bend na siya ng konti pag ganun ko siya shuffle. So, shuffle natin in another way. Like this. Para gumit na. Ayan. Yung nipis niya, medyo manipis siya for me. Compare sa ibang na-review ko. Pero okay naman. Pwede na. Then kapag ganito naman, smooth siya. Maganda siyang i-shuffle this way. Pero compared to the other cards, compared to if you have light seers or if you have the everyday tarot, mas manipis siya ng kaunti for me. Ayan. Pero, yung mga ganitong klaseng card naman, parang medyo matte ba ang dating nito. I don't think na magde-dent siya dito. Unlike the other na review ko na laging may nagkaka-dents agad. So, yun. Tingin ko, this one, it's a good deal na rin. For its price. So, 24 point. Where is it? $24.90. Ayan. Okay. So, if you have any tarot in mind that you want me to review first, let me know. Maybe I have it here. Unahin ko siya. Or you can comment. If wala, I'll try my best to get it and para ma-review ko siya for you guys. So, see you in my next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!